Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Sui coin. So if you enjoy these updates, do smash that like button as it does go a long way. As far as the broader market is concerned, we are still seeing quite a bit of retracement, across the board. The continuation of green that we have been seeing over the course of the last 2 to 3 weeks hasn't really been playing out since the month of October started. And again, a lot of frustration within the crypto community because a lot of people were anticipating that the month of October is going to be really good. I still do believe that the month of October is going to be bullish, but I think there is manipulation happening right now because, of course, remember, over the last 3 months we have seen nothing but a continuation of green across the board. As far as Sui is concerned, guys, this coin has been going completely mad mode, up 13.4% over the past 1 week, and of course 150% over the course of the last 1 month alone. You can see this for yourself just based off of looking at the price. Even though we're seeing a lag, for the broader market, even though the dominance index has gone up, you're still seeing Sui making higher moves. And that speaks about the momentum that we've been discussing over the course of the last few days. The price is currently sitting at $1.91. It's down about 0.5%, up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative though. Market cap is at about $5.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is pretty much through the roof, currently sitting at 1.5 billion. And it's absolutely killing it. And to the people that actually did pick up Sui over the course of the last I would say 1 month, month and a half, I'm happy for you guys because, of course, this by far is the biggest mover over the course of the last 1 month, and it's retesting some yearly highs almost right now, and again speaks about the momentum itself. But let's shift our focus, see what's happening with the price and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So starting off, looking at Bitcoin dominance, it's pretty much picking up traction, currently sitting at 58%. Just as I said, even though we were retesting the likes of 57%, I did say let's not get too excited because this thing can turn around in a snap, and we could see that happening right now because, of course, Bitcoin has seen a significant drop within its price. We saw the 60K resistance. We know the importance of the 60K resistance. It did play as a level of support as to be expected. We did see a bounce from this key support, which is really nice to see, currently sitting at $61,342 for Bitcoin. But you do want to see Bitcoin climbing back above $64,000, a very key level for Bitcoin to be at. But as far as Sui is concerned, I'm sure people that are holding Sui right now are, pretty much looking at the Bitcoin price as far as, and also the broader market, and saying, who cares? Like, literally, who cares? And, that is a fair statement to be making because, Sui has been climbing up with, this bearish momentum in Bitcoin suddenly, and dominance going up, a little bit of uncertainty. Despite that fact, Sui has been climbing up. And what does this tell you? This tells you there is momentum on its side, and this is reminding me of Phantom, last cycle, move. If you are an OG, you remember what FTM did, and Sui is reminding me exactly about those specific price actions. Because again, when I look at this chart, guys, this is what good old crypto is supposed to look like. If you know, you can see this for yourself. Literally from August 6th, it's up 300% right now. 300%. I, feel really bad about myself for not picking it up at that point, but you cannot win everything. Sui is one of the projects that, I always take a look at. If you've been following the channel from the beginning, you guys know this is one of the projects I, take a look at. But you can see this for yourself. This thing has been going absolute mad, and it actually retested that $2.03 resistance just a few hours ago. And again, of course, it was a rejection because, again, it is a psychological price point. But the way it's currently holding, it's, really bullish right now. And I would not be surprised if we do crack past an all-time high. And again, of course, you do have some major resistances. All-time highs usually does come as a little bit of a hurdle for the price. I do expect that, we're going to clear this key resistance, retest that, all-time high that was set back in March. So, something like this, I think we're going to see a retest rejection, trade sideways, and then finally pop out towards an all-time high. And then, obviously when prices are in all-time highs, there's no resistances, it's pretty much, depending on, the buying volume. And with the buying volume that we're seeing right now, it's pretty much through the roof. So price discovery mode is a very exciting time, and I know a lot of people in the SUI community are waiting for that. But with that said, I'm going to continuously remind you guys, Bitcoin is sitting below 64K. And again, 64K is a, level for me where I trend bullish. But what I want you guys to do is, lock some profits in, because of course there's some external factors that can impact crypto, despite, October, the month, historically speaking, is really bullish. So, lock some profits in, have some stop losses in place. Cannot stress this enough. Do not listen to the trolls online saying, oh, so you're crazy to lock in profits. Absolutely not. It's always good to lock in profits, despite, crazy price momentum that you're seeing right now. So, let me know down below what you guys think. I'm liking this momentum right now. It's looking like it's not slowing down. And I do anticipate an all-time high coming up for SUI, very soon. But again, time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.